Hi everybody, Steve here and Jim and Angela, trying to hide behind Jim. It's Earth Day 2023, April 22nd, and we're here at the Wild Bird Center, Coachella Valley Wild Bird Center. And Jim and Angela are going to try to stay out of the range of my video as much as possible, I think.
No ear fob, no ear fob.
Oh yeah, somebody made a comment the other day. What did they say about your ear fob?
It's like, is it permanently attached or something?
Well, it's true. It's like, and I made a joke saying that it's ironic because he always has this little ear fob for the phone in his ear, but never once have you ever answered when I've called you. So it's like, why do you bother to have it? All right, so we're gonna go in. I don't know what we have to do here, but I think it's free with a donation, and we'll let you know. We got our big hats on. It's supposed to be, what, 97 today? It's supposed to be 97 degrees here today. This is April 22nd. Can you imagine what it's going to be in August? So you actually volunteered at Modernism Week?
Yeah, and I. Yeah,
that must have been fun.
It was fun. A lot of work because you're looking after the tourists.
Yeah.
The tours are all 2.5 to 3 hours.
Wow.
But do you know who went on one of them?
Well, they're expensive too.
They're $129 a pop.
Yeah, Laura Bush.
Yeah, Laura Bush and the whole entourage and the Secret Service wasn't on my bus.
Oh. Go back. What does it say? Knock. If no one answers, go around to back. Say hello.
They said go around back and say hello if nobody answers. So is it round the back somehow?
Oh, I hear a bird.
Hello. We were. How are you today? I don't know. It's too early. Well, I never know.
And then I add to that is every day is a good day. Yes. Some are just better than others.
Yes.
This,
I like that. I like that one.
yeah.
And some are worse than others.
We have a little burrow now out.
Well, we don't charge admission. Your generous donations allow us to do this work.
It was in the
That's
library up on the...
Uh-oh, Jim, look. Snakes outside.
So I looked in it.
Now, why are some of these inside?
Okay, these are permanent. These 4 have been here for eons and have been foster parents for us. And he does not like me. He always tries to nail me.
Really? What is it he doesn't like about you? And you're the one who feeds them, right?
Well, yeah, but he's beautiful.
Isn't he gorgeous?
That's shy.
They have been foster
And that's
parents
actually an owl?
for us. This is it's actually a falcon. He's
Oh,
an American kestrel. And this is the male, and he's gorgeous.
He is gorgeous.
He is.
Is that
And somebody gave me a picture. Unfortunately, don't know.
You are absolutely
I
beautiful.
think he likes the camera. Or either that or he's wondering what it is. Now look at this. Please don't feed fingers to my bird. Yeah, he looks like a baby bird.
Baby.
No.
He's
No,
not?
no,
He's
no,
full
no.
grown?
He's full grown. He weighs...
I was going to say he behaves like
But
he's
now,
full
why are they
grown.
inside?
107. We've used them for education and whatnot,
Oh, okay.
and foster parenting also. And
This one's the most friendly, huh?
yeah, it does come up to them. And these guys are going to go out in cage 5. There's a funky little girl that just got cleaned out. Okay. And
Or anything?
where the kiosk is, that was the entrance to the dry wetlands.
Oh, okay.
Had what we lovingly call his side aspirin.
Those are 3 big ones there. Do you see them? 3 big ones.
3 babies.
3 babies. They look pretty big for babies.
I agree with. No, I totally agree with it. This mama, she has a partial wing amputation, and she's about 21 years old.
Oh, my God.
She's still being a foster mommy, and you can see the babes are getting bigger now. And there's 3.
You would think with all that, I was going to say fur. I guess it's not fur, but all those feathers would be pretty hot.
There's some animals and stuff that have like that stuff like that actually insulates them and makes even cooler.
So do you only have birds in the cages when people drop them off or when there's problems with birds?
My husband supported me, and I was the knucklehead that started it.
Oh, you started it yourself. Oh, okay.
Well done.
Well, it worked out of our home. And then Doug came home from a trip and the garage door was nailed shut. So he goes in And there's 9 great horned owls in the garage. I had wrapped the door openers with rope, so that was a perch.
So right now it's just this area right here.
Right, not from the fence to the back fence.
Okay. So now when they do the tours, it's not just in this area, it's out in the wetlands?
It used to be. This is shut down now to the public. Eventually they're hoping to reconfigure this and let the public come. Okay, these are two babies.
Oh, more. So you got a lot of owls here.
The adult is a foster mama. Heidi is 19 and 20.
The babies are bigger than the foster.
Just about. This one is an anomaly. It is beige.
Yes.
I have never seen a bird beige.
So like the birds are just found somewhere,
Yes.
abandoned, they don't have...
Well, a lot of it is tree trimming and wind.
Okay, and then they bring them here, and then the owls will be like a foster parent.
And we read, it's right at kind of 50-50, 50% of them don't live, 50% of them do. I mean, they can live longer in captivity, but they can live through life of ages. If they survive that first year or two, and they've got that emotional under their belt, it's kind of like swimming. If you figure it out, you're going to the potential for life of ages there. If not, you're going to die young.
They're so lovely out there.
Yeah.
So you can see one of the viewing platforms that'll still be here. And
Oh, from over there?
Yeah,
okay.
bird.
And so you used to be able to...
Yeah, we used to be able to walk around. It was a road, you know. It was a road.
Because you said how many acres?
I don't know, 25 acres or something.
Yeah, look at that. So they don't go out there with the...
We used to let people walk out there.
but I mean on the chores, they don't go out there?
Yeah, and there were reeds growing and whatnot. It was really quite lovely. And my husband made benches out of telephone poles that were put out there. And so you could sit and bird or whatever.
Yeah, that's nice.
So I'm going to miss the reeds, but I totally get it.
Yeah.
But again, all along the perimeter, we could do trees.
Yeah, that'll attract a lot of birds.
It does. They're losing habitat like crazy.
Yeah.
And these are the swallows. Catching. Right now we have tons of mosquitoes.
Well, that's good. And the swallows eat the mosquitoes,
They
huh?
do.
That's
They
good.
really do. Mother Nature.
Yeah,
We quit screwing around
that's a good
and
plan.
messing stuff up for it. Pigeons. I love pigeons.
With
I
the
have
rains,
one
do you
too.
get any... I see that it looks like there've been water on all of this down here.
And, you know, I totally get it with the rat issues. You just want to get rid of them.
What I did, I got one of those little, because if you poison animals, wildlife.
Yes.
So I got one of these big electronic
Oh, okay. Yeah.
people at the end.
Okay.
And it was exactly.
I just use the slap traps or the glue traps. And
Yeah.
the glue traps inside.
Well, in Japan we had a lot of rattlers.
Yes.
And rattlers would
We-
go after
we had
rats. But my neighbor was very good because I'd see a rattler at my door and I'd call him. He was so used to it. He'd come and he'd go and release because they keep the rodent population. Yeah. But I mean, being from England originally, a rattler, I didn't
Well,
want to mess.
no, I get it. I totally do.
Now a king and a garter
Yeah.
snake and so on, they were fine.
No. A guy who had a business that did funerals and weddings and stuff, we release them like pigeons. Well, they don't do that.
They're not allowed to do it?
I just said, don't do it anymore.
I'm glad they don't.
Oh, I thought people still did that.
Actually, it was kind of neat because they would go home.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, no.
I thought they were doves. I thought they were like white doves that would...
Well, that's what they told them.
Oh, they were just pigeons,
I
white
mean,
pigeons?
That's romantic. But to have somebody say, we're going to release white pigeons at your funeral, you know, that's not romantic.
I have one that comes down in a big
But it
fat
is.
thing, drinks out of my spa because it's salt water.
Oh, pigeon?
Oh, I had
Oh,
had
yeah,
one
we-
for 14
He
years.
keeps everybody away. He keeps all the other pigeons away, and he poops right in front of my door as I go out.
You know, our little spillover from
He
the
loved
spot
you.
of the pool?
Yeah.
They used to come and sit there and do their little
Yeah.
poop and drink the water. So
Yeah.
that's why, you know, those little like wire shells they keep in the garage.
Okay.
We had to
We
put them
a
on
couple
top.
pair of those across there.
Yeah.
That's
So they couldn't get the water. And
but he won't even move when I come out.
well, you
He's
only
so
have
and
one.
He's fat.
We
He has
had-
his bum up and he brings his girlfriend down, but he won't keep, keeps all the other pigeons away. But he
We
comes
call them stupid.
and they're not.
They're not.
And right on my door, sliding down, there's a big pile of pigs, like he's telling me.
He's marking his territory.
I know he doesn't even budge when I come out because you know I can't get to him with a squad. So I actually like him. You know, their feathers in the sun are very pretty. They're very beautiful. I know there's supposed to be rats at the end, but I like.
They just got released last night.
So you had it too,
Except
drinking.
for there's 2 pigeons in here. We had 3 Cooper's hawks, and Coopers are supposed to eat pigeons and doves.
But they didn't. They made friends instead.
Well, I think they just had developed some laziness. And
Well, because you're feeding them other things.
Well,
They're like, yeah, we don't need
yeah.
the pigeon. We've
So-
got a buffet here.
we went 3 days, and there's a little sparrow or something in there. So yeah. I got
What's
a lot
the largest number of birds you've had in here?
of-
Yeah, that's interesting.
Feathers on the tree.
I've never seen one.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, the
And, you know.
I didn't know there was
Oh
that
yeah.
many.
Yeah.
It's amazing what you can
And
learn.
they're intelligent. Pigeons are extremely intelligent.
Well, they're like rats in the intelligent. Pigeons are. That's why there's so many of them.
Yeah.
No,
They've adapted.
seriously. They know how to outsmart us.
Now, this is a hawk?
This is a red-tailed hawk.
Wow, that's big, isn't it?
That's a good-sized bird.
Yeah, it's almost like a turkey.
But the feathers are in a color.
Beautiful.
Now, do they fly back and forth just for the exercise?
Partly and nervousness. I mean,
Oh.
they're not pets, you know, so they get feeling threatened.
And they never get used to people coming by and
Not
looking at
really.
them.
Not when if they're imprinted or something. Well, I'll take it back. Yuli was an adult when we got her, but she settled down. Of course, her options are nil.
Yeah.
So
She's a smart bird.
this one will be eventually.
It will, but I'm hoping to find a gal possibly down at Salt and Sea. If
Yeah.
I give her the food,
Yeah.
she might hang on to, because it's got to go through a mold.
Yeah. Oh yes, of course.
And
Because
that's
it obviously
not for a while.
needs a bit more space than
Yeah.
this. Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of bugs over here. Looks like we're at the Salton Sea.
And all the little kind of dippy-doo.
Does anyone ever try to swim in this?
You know what? We have a lot of transients. This was years ago, but a lot of transients still come through. And the guys over here have seen them dip water out of this and drink it.
Oh my God.
And they say, technically, you know, it's okay.
It's wastewater though, right? Isn't it wastewater?
Originally, yep. But by the time it goes through the process over there, the end process, they usually bleach it.
Oh, this is afterwards. Okay.
And yeah, we've had several of those.
The water that's on the other side, is that like the influent one? Because I mean, stuff that looks like pouring out was very dirty compared to what's coming out.
Yeah, no, there's a settling pond where because it's all kind of churned garbage. Supposedly the Salton Sea on the dike at the edge of the road.
Oh.
So I'm going, it would be a resting place.
It would be a what? Oh, a resting spot?
Yeah. There used to be water down there, and then the transients started abusing it and stuff, so we cut their water off. But there's
All right, so you guys, what'd you think? Did you like it?
Yeah, I think we were very lucky to have that lady.
Yeah, Linda. Yeah,
yeah.
she's apparently, I didn't know she was the owner and started this whole thing. I
Yeah.
thought this was a company. I didn't realize it was a
No,
person.
she started it.
What about you, Jim? Did you like it?
Yeah, I mean, it was interesting.
Now, I was expecting something totally different. I thought it was like, didn't it say it was like 5 acres? And
Well,
I
I
thought
thought
we
it
were
was-
going to be walking through the wetlands and
Well,
stuff.
I think you're thinking more of the Salton Sea thing
No,
that you
I
can
think
do.
probably, like you said, though, in the past,
I think in
when
the
that
past.
other area was open,
Yeah.
you could walk out there and walk around. But since now that
And they had
fence is
reed.
there,
There must have been water over there, and they had reeds that started to choke it and everything.
Yeah, yeah. So apparently now it's just this smaller area, but still very nice. Whoa, it's so hot. I'm gonna have to turn on the AC. You guys are probably melting too, huh?
Yes, we're
Yeah.
Please. Please. Thank you very much.
Great.
No, thank you very much. She's an amazing lady.
Yeah, yeah. She was very nice. She's talking about a passion, having a passion for something, and doing a good thing for all the birds. So anyway.
So if we know if we have any birds that need saving, we know where to come.
Yeah, exactly. And we were saying if we could just send all our pigeons, our backyard pigeons over here, I would put them in the back of the car and drive them over to get rid of them.
There'd always be another one.
Oh yeah, there's just always another flock. Yeah. So anyway, bye everybody.
Bye bye.
Bye.
TTFN.
Are you still back there? What's TTFM?
Ta-ta for now.
Oh, ta-ta for now.
Hip, hip, and cheerio.
Pip, 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 and cheerio.
Pip, pip, and cheerio. Jolly good show.
Jolly good show. It was a jolly good show.